Hello everyone, today I want to introduce some research knowledge about problem, purpose, and question to all. First, I want to introduce what is research problem. A research problem is an issue or concern that investigators present and justify in a research study. It is a statement about an area of concern, a conviction to be improved, a difficulty to be eliminated, or a troubling question that exists in scholarly literature. The purpose of a problem statement it has first is introduce the reader to the importance of the topic being studied. The reader is oriented to the significance of the study and the research question or hypothesis to follow. Second, places the problem into a particular context, and that and it can define the parameters of what is to be investigated. The last is provides the framework for reporting the results and indicate what is probably necessary to study and explain how the finding will present this information. If the problem is quantity research problem, there is some requirement. The first is measure variables. Second is assess the impact of these variables on an outcome. The third is test theories or broad explanation. The last apply results to a large number of people. Then I want to introduce the research purpose. Research purpose is a statement of why and the goal of the study. Why is the study is being conducted? The goal of the study might be to identify or describe a concept, or to explain or predict a situation or solution to a situation that indicates the time of the study to be conducted. The research purpose should be stated objectively or in a way that does not reflect particular biases or values of the researchers. The purpose of the statement it can identify the variables, population, and setting for a study. I want to give you an example. For example, the purpose of this study was to determine the nature of sleep behavior among hospitalized older people of different age. The population of the study is the hospitalized people, older persons, and the variables is the nature of sleep behavior and the different age. Then I want to introduce the research question. A research question is a concise, complex, and arguable question around which you center your research. Clear. It means that it provides enough specific that one's audience can easily understand its purpose without needing additional explanation. Focus. It means it is narrow enough that it can be answered fairly in the space the writing task allows. Concise. It means it is expressed in the fewest possible words. Complex. It means it's not answerable with a simple yes or no, but rather requires synthesis and analysis of ideas and sources prior to composition of an answer. Arguable. Its potential answers are open to debate rather than assessed first. Is so important. First, it can help the writers focus their research. Second, it can avoid the writer avoid the all about paper and work towards supporting a specific arguable thesis. It means that it helps the writers focus on one point of the thesis, not all around the paper. If the Quantitative research question has three types. The first type is descriptive research question. The second type is comparative research question. The last type is relationship-based research question. Descriptive research question is describe such of your variables. Comparative research question is compare two or more groups on the independent variable in terms of the dependent variables. Relationship-based research question is relate two or more variables. And to introduce the steps to developing a research question. First, you need to choose an interesting general topic. Second, you need to do some preliminary research on your general topic. Third, you need to consider your audience. The fourth is the asking questions. The fifth is evaluation. Last slide is hypothesis. I want to introduce the research hypothesis. A research hypothesis is the statement created by researchers when they speculate upon the outcome of a research or experiment. There are three types of hypothesis. The first type is non-hypothesis. The second type is directional alternative hypothesis. The last type is directional alternative hypothesis. Non-hypothesis it means no change in the dependent variable. Directional alternative hypothesis specifies the direction the dependent variable the researcher predicts will take place. The relational alternative hypothesis does not specify the direction of the change in the dependent variable. And if you want to write a hypothesis, your hypothesis needs to first, it will be written in clear, concise language. Second, have both an independent and dependent variable. Third, it be foreseeable. Is it possible to prove or disprove the statement? For it make a prediction or speculate on an outcome. And it also need to be practicable. Can you measure the variables in question? The last is hypothesis about a proposed relation between two variables or an intervention into this relationship. And the last part is the application. Application is first I need to choose a topic and state the problem, purpose, question, and hypothesis. The purpose about maybe I want to choose a topic about mobile assist language learning, the English reading, and I want to choose about how the mobile assist language learning to the student to use and how to improve their English reading. And the purpose of the study may be does the mobile assist language learning get greater English as foreign language reading get well compare with reading using paper materials. Second is what are the learner's perception of mobile assist language learning. That's the application about my topic. That's all. Thank you.